Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Fish marination preparation. Half a teaspoon carom seeds. 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. 2 teaspoons coriander seeds. Roast for a minute. Cool to room temperature. Grind till it becomes fine powder. 2 teaspoons red chili powder. Half a teaspoon garam masala powder, recipe in the description box. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Grinded powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well and keep aside. 3 glass water. 1 tablespoon fruit vinegar. 1 teaspoon salt. 650 grams salmon fish or fish of your choice. Keep the fish in vinegar water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the fish out of the water. 2 teaspoons garlic paste. 1 lemon juice. Add the spice mixture. 1 tablespoon oil. Combine everything nicely. Coat the fish well in the spices. Refrigerate and marinate for 30 minutes. Shallow fry the fish on medium flame. Flip the side after 2 minutes. Cook for 2 more minutes. Drain the excess oil. Veggies preparation. Heat the oil. Fry 2 roughly chopped lengthwise potato. Fry till it turns golden. Drain the excess oil and keep aside. Use the fried fish oil. 4 to 5 sliced mushroom. Fried on high flame for 2 minutes. Drain the excess oil and keep aside. Half cup French beans. Sauté for 2 minutes and keep aside. 2 sliced carrot. Sauté for 2 minutes and keep aside. 1 sliced yellow bell pepper. 1 sliced red bell pepper. 1 sliced green bell pepper. Sauté on high flame for 2 minutes and keep aside. Rice preparation. Boil 4 cup water. Add 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon royal cumin. Add 2 to 3 bay leaf. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add 15 minutes soaked 3 cup basmati rice. 1 tablespoon clarified butter. 2 teaspoons pandanus water. Cover and cook till 80% rice is done. Transfer the rice to big plate. It will prevent the rice from overcooking. 1 tablespoon clarified butter. 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon cumin. 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Fried on high flame for 2 minutes. 1 cup tomato puree. Sauté on high flame for 2 minutes. Add the leftover spices from marinated fish. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon paprika or red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Sauté on high flame till oil is separated. Add all the veggies. Mix well and keep aside. Add 10 grams butter. Add half of the cooked rice. Add the cooked veggies. Chopped coriander. Fresh mint. Handful of fried onion, recipe in the description box. Fried fishes. Add the cooked rice. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Fish rice is ready. Garnish with fried onion, chopped coriander, fresh mint, lemon ring. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.